name's Bob Hazer. We have a place down at Beaver Lake, just south of Plattsmouth, Nebraska. We were in a situation where, we've had our log home for about 9 years. The prior owners had not taken care of it the way it should have been taken care of in terms of treatment of the logs and so forth. So I began the process of researching someone to come in and completely restore the logs. The search was spanned from Wyoming, Colorado, etc., and guys that travel and so forth. I ultimately settled upon Timber Ridge Log Homes. Zach's, and speaking with Zach, came out, was very impressed by him. Ultimately decided that I wanted someone local that would do the job the way I wanted it to be done, which was not cutting corners. The price was a serious investment for my family. I'm still paying for it, but at the end of the day, it was a much better value than going with someone from out of town, especially going with someone who was traveling and so forth, come in, they hit the job hard in 2 weeks and they're gone, would have no way to contact them with follow-up. Going with Timber Ridge Log Homes, I could always have that service that was a half an hour away. And when approaching Zach, again, at the end of the day, what I got for my money was a much better value than what even some were quoted cheaper from elsewhere. But Zach assured me, and I told him, I said, all I ask is that you treat our place when you do this, you do the job that you would do on your own home. And I am 100% satisfied with the job that was done. It's perfect. He's an artist, and his staff and crew, and they did that. They treated it like it was their own, and they're just solid people. So I'm just absolutely thrilled with the job they did.
What was it like seeing it for the before and after? And even what was it like seeing through the process? I know you have photos where one half of it's been stripped and the other half was not. What was it like seeing the difference between the two?
So, this was our first log home. We've been here 9 years. And as I stated, when we moved in, a lot of the logs were black, okay? And we just thought it looked rustic, whatever, we didn't know the difference. And so, we had a polyurethane sealant on it and stuff. Some of it was blistering, okay? Some of it was just black. And I'll never forget the first time I came down here and saw with Zach in a suit doing the material blasting and seeing the stripped piece versus what it was before, night and day. I can't even put into words the difference. And I do have the pictures, and even just sitting out on our patio where it was black on the ceiling and everything, and now it looks brand new. People come down and they're just blown away. And I am, in particular, who really take care of this place, was just shocked. So I can't even put into words the difference. And seeing it right when it was stripped versus what was there is one thing, but then, he did not cut corners in terms of the sanding, the staining, the sealant, everything. It was top notch. And now it is truly a piece of art. I mean, Zach is truly an artist, him and his crew. So they literally create something. They turn something that is weathered and worn and just literally, they're artists. They make it look brand new. So very impressed.
You said your wife hasn't seen it yet, right? She hasn't.
Right.
She hasn't been out. Today's the grand reveal to her.
Tomorrow. Yeah. So my wife's been having some health issues, and so this place is my hobby. And again, that's why I told Zach, please, I don't care how much time it takes, just do it right. Do it like you would do it to your own home, because this place is for family. My wife and I didn't get it for us. We got it for the kids. We have 4 kids, 3 girls and a boy. And so, my wife's going to be down for the first time tomorrow to see it. So I'm very excited. Yeah. So that's why I've been cleaning and so forth. And so very excited. So she's going to love it.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for doing this interview with us. Thank you for letting us into your beautiful home, and we are excited to hear how she sees it. You got to record it a little bit.
I will let you know. I will let you know. Hey, one thing I did want to add. I'm gonna be working with Zach either next year or the year before to replace my railings too.
Yeah.
So impressed with the job that he did, and so yeah, I would, even after I'm gone from this earth someday, it's going to pass this on. I will still go with these guys. So it's amazing. So anything that any treatment of this house is going to be done by Timber Ridge. So. And you guys earn my business. So yeah, and I doubt I'll ever sell this place. If I were and build a new one, I'd come see Zach. So he's an artist. So
that's awesome. Thank you again so much.
Yeah, I find myself looking up. It's just like amazing. Remember there were blisters right here.
Oh yeah, and solid black, and this was actually the toughest spot because since it don't get sunlight under here, it's weird, like it's baked on there, but because we had to sandblast it, and then we sanded it, and then we Osborne brushed it, so, and all that stuff makes a big difference.
I mean, you turned this into something beautiful. I meant that before you're an artist.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
No, it's for sure. So yeah, so it's gonna be nice when having my wife out here and stuff. She's even gonna be blown away. So
yeah, that's gonna be great. Finally be able to come out here and enjoy it.
Yep. Yeah. Can't wait. So this is, and you started on this side.
Yeah.
And I was just like, beyond that, this door was a mess.
Yeah.
And you made the door look beautiful.
Yeah.
And that's not even logged. So yeah, I'm gonna replace like this crap.
The weather strip.
Yeah, the weather strip. But yeah, up in here, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And this, again, was the first, you started on this side. And this was so cool because when people show up, and even myself, it's like, well, this is how you're coming down. And when you see this, you're just like blown away. But even like this front is just amazing. I mean, and that's where that lift came in handy and stuff. But oh my God, it's just absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
I think too, what was nice to have you here is some of the logs that needed to be replaced or refinished or gaps, and giving me advice in terms of where the snow would go down, and and kind of raising that up.
Yeah.
Doing stuff that made sense.
Yeah. To prevent future maintenance.
Versus just getting in and out and we're just gonna whatever. I mean, you did stuff to exactly that. Preserve the logs to make sure that didn't happen again. Just little things that they maybe didn't do right when they built the place, you know what I mean? And make those adjustments. So
yeah,
those gutters weren't there.
Yeah.
And you recommended the gutter over there.
Yeah.
In certain spots so it wouldn't splash against the logs, thus preserving it even more.
Yeah.
So that was great even in itself. So it really was. So
good deal.
Yeah, it really looks freaking nice. It really does. No, I thank you, brother. I'm serious.
Yep.
So
thank you.